Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is the city creation. In this, basically, this is the 11 parts. Basically, why basically somebody created the 11 parts because of the chaining system, which will connect to up to the universe, and that will end the entire universe. Sometimes, basically, that is also possible. So, in this, basically, we connected up to what basically we connected to Navsari family, that is the Jamshedji family. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically he basically died basically where Germany. Then basically one of the person connected to like this basically Germany, basically Hitler. He basically born where here. He basically born here. Basically what is this basically? Austria. Then basically we will just spell it basically where actually it is. Just see basically how the things are basically going to connect.
Austria. Austria.
Austria. Now basically where he died basically.
Führerbunker. Führerbunker.
That is bunker place, but the space basically place basically name is not given. So one of the person told that basically this all are basically this family is connected with this, but how was possible here basically? And this family is connected with this basically. Navsari, and Navsari basically is connected with this. Then he told that yeah, that need to check here basically how the chain system basically how the world is created. That basically because TCS is the number one company basically. TCS is the number one company of the India basically. That basically that means you want to say that somebody is playing the role of the king family basically. That might be possible here basically. That means we are trying to find out basically so that the world will not end here basically. Because this word basically is going to this is the Oxford word basically. That is the all death in this earth planet basically set of word combination basically. So one of the person basically asked the question basically when basically on the last day of world basically assume that basically 900 crore people basically are in this world basically. Assume basically just taking as an example, but real basically there are basically more than 1000 crore people, or basically it might be possible 700 crore people. So he told that basically 900 crore people basically are existing in this world. So which will be that word basically which is going to be supplied by the satellite group basically, and within 1 second whole 900 crore people will die. That is possible. One of the person asked the question basically. That need to check whether really basically this is going to happen or not basically. So for that basically one of the group basically introduced by the this group basically. In future basically if satellite group sends the data basically, that is the world end data basically, then also basically nothing is going to affect basically. This group basically had created this group basically, that is this group basically, and here basically also people says basically really basically whether it is correct or, and these people basically stays in the police protection basically. This group basically few people says that basically these people basically they are basically all basically people who died basically. Yes, they are basically human clone basically has done. Yes, human clone basically. Human clone means after dying basically they get some time new birth, and sometime basically their skeleton also basically converts to the human cloning. That family basically connects here basically. Then one of the person told that basically one of the person told that is this family are connected with this Hitler family. One of the person told that because Gujarati caste is created by the German basically. That means you want to say the Hitler actually created the German, or basically Germany created the Hitler. Basically, everything was basically confusing. Basically, then he told that basically, yeah, basically that need to check basically, yeah, how basically things are basically there, how basically things are connected. Then one of the person basically who got the information about this word basically, he immediately basically shift from the Mumbai city basically. Then basically he informed the each and everything to the German group basically. There is one person basically, Sunilar Nair basically is telling that basically there are basically set of words basically which will dump into the Mumbai city, that is the 5 crore population basically. Immediately the 1 second basically the sea water will come inside the Mumbai city and enter Mumbai city will get under the water basically. This German group basically heard this whole thing basically. Then one of the person told that basically, who is that basically Sunilar Nair here basically, who basically connected to the this many back history basically. Then he told that basically if he know basically, then basically he might be knowing the University of Oxford group also basically. No, basically he actually has studied in one of the Vidyavan school here basically. What? Yeah. And he basically studied in one of the government school basically. Do you know basically? After that, yeah, after that basically he studied in the one of the government school basically. After that he studied with the one of the government school basically. How basically he can know here basically who is Hitler, who is Tata Group? No, basically I think you might have got some wrong mistake basically. But that was the German group basically. He never ignores the thing basically. Then he told that let me inquire and let me come to where basically he's staying basically. Because he say that basically we created Gujarati and we basically keeps the control of Gujarati people basically. These people are very quiet basically, but they are very dangerous. They say that basically they everything do very prem thi. In Gujarati basically it is called prem thi. Prem thi means with very sweet basically, what to say basically, which word basically I should use basically, in very peace manner basically. In the, I will tell you in which manner basically they do. That is in this manner basically. Shanti se. Everything they basically do shanti se. Then one of the person told that basically this everything basically they are not getting job. This everything they are anybody is doing some shanti se. Then he told that basically that need to check here basically. That basically one of the person basically who created this group basically, because this person actually died. Hitler actually died basically. Yes, yeah, he actually died here basically. Hitler तो मर चुका है. Then basically, but history never dies. One of the person told that basically history never dies basically. So one of the person asked the question basically, if history now dies basically, then basically where is this basically Hitler basically staying here basically? Because he actually might be connected with the Gujarati caste basically. He might be connected with the Gujarati creation basically, Gujarat culture basically. That are basically very sweet people basically. They everything do basically like this, peacefully. If they kills anyone, then basically they also kills basically that particular person peacefully basically, shanti se basically. Then one of the person told that basically how basically they can kill the people basically through shanti se. Then he told that I will. Then basically one of the person told one story basically. One of the person basically was of Vadodara city. He basically created some problem. He basically got some problem in one of the company basically. He basically that company actually fired that particular person, and that person basically was very powerful person. He was basically from Royal Gujarat basically, some king's family, some basically don't know basically which family basically, some Saurashtra family. He told that basically we want to finish him basically. So they told that basically, oh okay, this case basically given to the Shanti group basically. They basically done that particular person's marriage, and then basically HIV/AIDS given to him, and then basically his Nasbandi also done, and then basically that Shanti group basically finished that particular person in Dubai. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the achievement of Shanti groups. So one of the person told that war has started or what basically. Then it was the war basically has started long before only basically.